Hey everybody, how y'all doing? So today I want to share my overclock with you guys. It's not super overclock, it's just getting a tiny bit of performance out of my Core i7 13700K. So I'm going to show you guys how I usually do it, and I show you the result in the BIOS. The computer is now running with that overclock. It has been running like that for the past month, I think. And I decided to just share it with you guys. So let's get started. And we are back. So the first thing I use is the Intel Extreme Tuning utility. This is mainly to apply it in Windows and test it with Cinebench. So at least I have to restart the computer less often. And in the worst case, if it crashes, it crashes. Like, okay. So here I only changed 3 settings. So the first one is the core voltage offset. I put it to minus 0.125 and the core voltage to 1.3. Then I decided how to do the cores. So I just did 55, 55, 54, 54, 54, 54. It's actually only +1 from what it used to be. Once you're happy with that, you just hit apply. And the next thing you're gonna want to do is test it in Cinebench. So always test your overclocks to make sure they're stable. So you start Cinebench and you let it run for as long as possible. Usually I do it between like 5 and 10 minutes, like depending. But very often it will crash before that. So yeah, I will let it run. I'm not gonna keep you guys here 10 minutes the time it runs. And I'll see you guys in the BIOS. So see you in a second. Hey guys, we're back and in BIOS. So the first thing I want to say is you have to change some settings here before you can modify anything. So here make sure it's on adaptive vCore, and here make sure it's on legacy and not selection. And as you can see, I've applied what we've tested in the Intel and Cinebench tools. So the vCore now is at 1.3 and I've put the offsets to minus 0.125. And if we go to the advanced CPU settings, not memory, so we'll go down and here you have it. So I've modified the P and E cores. I've just done +1. So the ones that were on 54 I put to 55, and the ones that were on 53 I put to 54, and I did the same with the E cores. So I put them from 42 to 43. Everything works well. I've been using it now for a while and I'm really happy with it. But as I said, I'm not here to break world records or anything. It's just getting a tiny bit more performance out of your CPU. So there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one. Bye.